Hello to everyone. I am Krishnavani from Department of Computer Application in Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. Today's subject is Applied Software Engineering with the Design and DevOps Practices. Today's topic is version control using Git and GitHub. Imagine a multinational company that has branches spread all over the world and thousands of employees are there. In that such a company faced multiple challenges and issues. What would be the possible set of challenges faced in that company? First one is collaboration. That means so many people located at different places. There may be need to communicate for the particular reason. Set of people working as a same project from different region. This is a first problem. Next is storing version. The project is not completed in a single version. It may be a n number of versions. In that solution, all that problem is solving in a storing in a single. It is very big challenge. Next is storing previous version. That means sometimes it is important to go back in the previous version to find the root cause of any part. So storing previous version is the major challenge. Next is figure out what happened. That is, it is one of more common challenge. At time, it is a critical to know what change are made to previous version of a source code, or where exactly has the change made in a file. Next is the backup problem. That means once the system must break down, there is no backup, all effort will go into down. These are all the challenges are faced in the multinational companies. What would solve these problems? At that time, in these cases, we use the version control system. Can overcome this problem. The VCS that take care collaboration between the employee storing a different version will help in having backup on the remote project. Will also help rolling back to the previous system and the last version to the source code. Let us comes to what is version control system. That means what is version VCS. A version control system record all the changes made to a file or set of files. So specific version may called later if needed in future. It is responsible of system keep all the team members in the same way. That is, version control system is a tool used to software development and combine project to track and manage changes to the code. Next, what are the features are available? VSC permits to the developer record and track every update to the code base. Collaborate on code without overwriting each other's work. Revert to a earlier state of project if needed. Maintain a detailed and structured history of the project's evaluation. The repository store the project file on the server. Developer access and update the repository to collaborate the same project. Changes made by one developer can be shared with other through the repository. These are the VSC features. Next is components of VCS. There are 5 components are there. Repository, revision, branch, merging, commit. And the types of VCS is local version control, centralized version control system, distributed version control system. Let's discuss about one by one. First, local version control system, that is local VCS. The name itself defines the meaning that system operate on personal machine without any connection to the remote repository. Any changes and version history all are stored in a local database on the particular system or particular server or a particular computer. This is known as local VCS. Next, centralized VCS. That is, all the files and versions are stored under in one single central server. Developer connect to this server to access or modify the files. See the diagram. The centralized version control system. It have a 3 workstation or 3 different developer at 3 different location and one repository that is act as a server. Next, distributed version control system. It contains multiple repositories, each user their own repository and working copy. User committing the changes will not give other access to the changes. It involves two-step process for sharing the changes. One is commit and another one is push. You save your changes to your local repository. No one else can see them. This is a commit command. Next is push. You upload, that means push your committed changes from your local repository to the central repository. It is an example of GitHub. Next, top 5 free version control systems are available. First one is Hit. Next one is Mercurial, Subversion, Fossil and CVS. Hit. It is the most widely used distributed version control system. It was developed by Linux in 2005 for managing the Linux kernel. It is very highly effective, efficient. It is the backbone of services like GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket, making it popular choice for developers worldwide. Provide powerful command like hit clone, hit pull and hit push. Thank you.